Have you ever wondered what makes a detection dog so good at their job? I'm Dr. Wayne Severn, and beside me is drug detection dog Nix, goddess of the night. We are an independently validated canine drug detection team working for ScentTECH in New Zealand. Together we'll show you how the exquisite sensitivity of a dog's nose and the skill of a well-trained canine is enabled by instinctive human nature, in particular by passive transfer, the dog handler's best friend. Passive transfer is the movement of odour molecules from one surface to another by human intervention, as we'll demonstrate. Won't we?
In this scenario, we have used an actor rolling a joint in front of the TV and going about his business on a typical evening after work. During the process, he receives a text message and goes outside to the car, taking his stash with him. Once seated, he hides his unused stash in the center console of the car. Unknown to the actor, we had added a small amount of ultraviolet active compound to his stash, resulting in everything he touched to glow, like the remote control, the cigarette lighter, the papers, the baggie, Significantly, you can see the residues on the actor's thighs and the sleeve of his hoodie. You can also see his fingerprints on the phone that he had used to text. As well as on the door handle that he had used to exit the room. Outside, his fingerprints were clear to see on the car's door handle. As well as the steering wheel. And the center console where the actor had hidden his stash. 24 hours after the scenario was filmed, drug dog Nix was asked to perform her job and locate any scent sources in the room and in the car. Working around the room, she identifies a scent of interest along the patio doors and narrows the source down to the door handle. Getting her favourite toy as a reward. Working further around the room, Nix pinpoints the other objects that the actor had touched, including the mobile phone. The remote control, as well as the cigarette lighter and the papers, all the while ignoring the food on the table. Outside, we work around the car, and Nix enters through the passenger door, immediately honing on the scent of the baggie hidden in the centre console. Finishing the search of the exterior of the car, Nix once again shows how acute her scenting abilities are by indicating on the driver's side door handle where the actor had gained access to the car.
This is drug detection dog Eos, Goddess of Dawn. So what you've seen in this demonstration is the actor inadvertently spreading the scent of drugs throughout the environment, and 24 hours later the dog was able to identify each of the surfaces he had touched. In all situations, the dog and handler work as a team. It takes an experienced handler to ascertain why the dog's indicating and if further investigation is warranted. This is particularly the case in this scenario, where the dog indicates on residue amount of scent, amounts that are too small to be visible to the human eye. Hey! Get a girl.